Hello everyone, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Today we are doing a bloom, and these are our beautiful colors. We have Liquitex Magenta with Titanium White, Red Violet with Primary Element Jasmine to give some bling, and Lime Green with this little piggy, Lily Pad, more bling. We will be using a white cell activator. How is everyone today? I got my grandkids and my friend over here, and we are having fun. Okay, we're going to start with the light magenta. I think I'm just going to do, I don't know why, 3. Probably too big. With the Red Violet and Jasmine, and then we have Lime Green with Lily Pad. Okay, let's pop some bubbles. And we're going to be using white cell activator. And let's pop some more bubbles. Okay, I'm using the world's, where is it? Come here. Smallest blow dryer. I have an attachment. I don't know if I need the attachment. I don't think I'm going to use it this time. And here we go. You know what I forgot, which might be okay. I forgot I had spun this pillow paint out. I forgot to put an extra pillow. Well, we'll see. Okay, let's let it settle up. I wasn't sure of which way to do it, whether like I usually just slowly blow it out or just kind of go doo crazy. Let me use the straw. See if we can get some more cells. Yes, we are. Okay. Now, let's do this. Yeah, it definitely doesn't have enough pillow paint, but I will put a little bit around it so it will help it maybe to, I don't know if this will help it because I forgot that pillow when I first started this painting. I don't know, but I love the colors. You like the colors?
I do.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
I like this one the best.
Are you making a flower?
Well, I'm just making designs. Let's spin it out. Ooh, the color's getting prettier. A lot of my beautiful cells. Ooh, that's pretty though.
That's nice.
Oh, I like that.
I like this one.
I like the
middle.
color.
Ooh, that's really beautiful.
Yeah, thank you. Can you see, Mikey? Yeah. Okay, that was a short, quick one, but it's beautiful. And I'm going to, well, once again, thank you for watching. God bless you always. And I'm going to take you down for a close-up.